Take a ride in the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.